this matte?
Well, duh.
Hey besties, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Jen. Welcome. If you're old but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I truly appreciate you guys so much. Okay, period. Before anything, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Okay, because why haven't you subscribed? In fact, I will give you a minute to subscribe because we don't have time to wait. Okay, have you subscribed? Thank you. So besties, today I want to do a review for you guys. I have been vlogging, but I'm getting bored of vlogging, so I said let me do a review for you guys because I've been seeing this product and I said I want to try it. And yes, I got a new hairstyle. Listen, whoa, my friend don't play. Well, when I tell you this length is near my hips, I mean it's long. Can you guys see this? Forget about it. Forget, she did her thing. Anytime she do my hair, I just feel happy. You know, some hairdresser, when you go to do your hair, they do it, you leave, you feel like crying, but you are too ashamed to go back there and tell them, give my money back, run my money. She's not like that. I just feel like, oof, don't talk to me, I'm too expensive, take it easy. And I just want to say thank you to her for doing my hair. I just feel like a new woman, like damn. And I went, because she did my hair, I said let me go do my eyebrows. I'm feeling like Beyonce, you cannot talk to me, I'm unavailable, they know they see me. Okay, let me stop. Anyways, let's get back to the product, what I was saying. So the product I'm talking about is this product. Can you guys see it? Is this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Perfector 4-in-1. Okay, so you have primer plus powder, concealer, BB cream, and corrector. I don't know, something like that. But guys, I'm sorry if you guys hearing the noise outside. They're doing some road work, so yeah, forgive me. The window is actually closed. Yeah, I did close my window because it was getting cold. Yes, I closed my window, but if you can hear the noise, I just want to apologize for that. So I'm going to test this product for you guys and tell you guys if it's good, because I feel like I want to be wearing makeup. Try and wear makeup like when I'm going out. There's actually a video coming up regarding how we only put effort when we're going to meet people, but when we are going outside, let's say we are going to Tesco, as the, if you're in America, your local shop, grocery shop, where you just dress anyhow and then you just go looking like somebody just chase you out of the house. I want to improve on that one, okay? Because I actually try it. Usually when I'm going on my morning walk, I'll go anyhow, and I'll go anyhow. And you know, the way people treat you when you represent yourself properly, in a proper way, they will treat you different. I'm sorry, the camera is shaking, but I wear something nice. I put my sunglasses. I was just looking right. When I tell you, when I'm about to cross the road, people are like, they will stop their car and ask me to go past, like nicely. But when I do anyhow, I go out, I'm not getting that princess treatment. I want the princess treatment, I beg. Anyways, so I'm going to test this product for you guys, and the shade I got is 004 medium deep. We're gonna try this. My face have two tones, okay? So hopefully this will suit me. Oh, why now? Wow, God, I took the wrong one. How? Or maybe in America it's different too, I don't know, because the one I see that on YouTube, people are, it's just like you have foam. I don't know, should I try or should I return it? This is not a foundation, that's what people are saying, so I don't know. Now that we are here, we are already filming it. Let me just go and just go on with it, innit? What do you guys think? Look at me asking you guys as if you guys are here in this room with me. Anyways, like I told you guys, the shade I got Oh, I'm not really happy that they don't look like the one I was seeing on YouTube, but it's the same product, it's just the application thingy is different, if that makes sense. So yeah, it comes in this cute bottle, but honestly, I want this. I'm asking for this. Ow, that hurt. But yeah, so I'm going to apply this and see how it look. This is my face, and yeah, my face is like two-tone. Ooh, my eyebrows are looking cute. They're looking good. I did my eyebrows. The woman knows how to do my eyebrows. She just knows. She gets me. Okay, so let us apply this. This is what it look like. I'm not gonna apply no primer, nothing. I'm just gonna do it like that. I don't know how I feel about this one. No, can you guys see this? But the one I saw online is like, on the video, is more creamier. It makes sense more. Let me blend it. Best is I'm looking down because my mirror is just over here, so please forgive me. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna blend one side. Let's see. This feels so freaking, it feels light, but it also feels so dry. Like I don't know how I feel about this one, but let us blend. Let's be I don't know. Honestly, with this, just feel like I'm putting dirt on my face. Doesn't feel like nothing. I don't know. Let me change brush. Maybe if I use the brush that I always use, that might change something. Let us see. This is the brush I use, so let us see. It's not, it's so dry. Like it's like, it's not creamy, but it's not heavy enough on the skin. But also I just feel like I'm applying mud on my face. Well, let's try Sha. Let's try this avec. Although we are not feeling it. I wasted £14 on this, like for real. Usually I don't put too much foundation on my forehead because I honestly just don't. I don't even know why. I just don't. I feel like you don't need it. And whatever excess product I have, that's what I put with on there. Guys, I'm not as optimistic about this product for real. I'm just, yeah. So I have to apply more, I guess. And they said, oh, is this matte?
Well, duh.
Yep, it's matte makeup. I do not like it. I do not like it at all. I just don't like it. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling this foundation. I will go on Superdrug, find the one I saw online, because that's supposed to make you look glowy. I'm trying to like it, but I don't like it. I just don't look healthy. I look like somebody who's ill.
Unacceptable!
It's immediately no. Immediately no. So if you go to Superdrug, don't take this one. Honestly, you will just waste your £14. I should have just returned it and changed it or something. But yeah, you will just waste your money on this. It is not cute. It's not flattering. Like seriously, let me bring you guys closer so you guys can understand my frustration. I want to come closer so you guys can see truly what's going on, what I'm talking about. because you know sometimes lighting can deceive. But do you guys see this? Do not like it and I'm not happy. So let me go and do my face finish, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys properly about this product, because I'm not even gonna continue using it. I'm just gonna find something else, and I don't know, if my friend come over and they like it, they can take it, because I mean I like this one and I'm not happy. So I'll be back. Okay besties, I am back. I did not continue using this product. I'm so disappointed. Let me put this on the screen so you guys know. Do not try it. Do not try it. This is the matte. If you want to take the glow one, but this one is matte and they just look like a mud in your face. So I just decided to go in with my sleek foundation. This foundation never let me down, so I would say definitely go for sleek foundation. As you guys could see, it just makes everything look so nice and so natural, just so cute. That's my opinion on this Maybelline 4-in-1 instant anti-aging something matte. Don't get matte. If you have the glow one, I'm gonna try and get it and then I'll review that one for you guys. But this one definitely disappointed me and I am not happy. I wish I could get my £14 back, but I already opened it, so yay. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, you already know what's up, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe please, and thank you. So yeah, my face is looking dull, no highlighter, no blush. That's because I have some review for you guys as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. But before you go, if you have any suggestion of video that you want me to film, comment, leave it on the comment section and I will definitely try and film it for you guys. But yeah, that's that. I love you guys so much. I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Bye besties.